Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 3.0 D250 110 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Woolstone green metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. As well as this, you also have 22-inch 5-gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Woolstone green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. You also have a deployable tow bar, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear seats, you can find ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. As we move in through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 2,852 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps to listen to your own music. You also have your deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to deploy or stow away from within the comfort of the cabin, along with your 4x4 information and terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have electronic air suspension, further helping with this, and of course the off-road feature on the 360 view camera and the 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you are able to individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 3.0 D250 110 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.